After a rail disaster, the investigation that's undertaken by Clifford Law Offices starts the moment that you get in contact with us. At that point, we'll begin requesting information from you, the specific documentary information that you may have, and we will begin to deploy our group of experts onto the scene to work to uncover the truth about what happened. In the wake of a train accident, there's a causal investigation that occurs, and a few of these investigations are run in parallel and jointly through the NTSB and the Federal Railroad Administration. Those investigations are oftentimes occurring at the exact same time that the investigation that Clifford Law Offices will undertake and deploy. Sometimes there's overlap in those investigations, but oftentimes these investigations are seeking different results. The investigation that the attorneys at Clifford Law Offices undertake are seeking to find ultimate liability and responsibility for the derailment. What generally happens in the first 24, 48 hours, an NTSB team is deployed to the scene and they begin to undertake an investigation. At that point, Clifford Law Offices will similarly deploy investigators to the scene to figure out the cause of the accident. Within a few weeks, the NTSB will generally put out a preliminary report onto their website, and then 24 to 48 months later, they will work through and ultimately issue a final report. Much of what we're doing feels kind of independent to the NTSB investigation that's occurring, oftentimes working at a pace that's a bit faster than the investigation deployed by the U.S. government through the NTSB and the FRA. What we're trying to do is follow the causal chain of events so we can find out who was ultimately responsible for causing this incident.